Jadirah Sarmad. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm actually doing this makeup look that I had posted earlier on my Instagram, and a lot of you guys said that you wanted to see me do a tutorial on this, so here it is. And this is basically my version of Pakistani wedding guest makeup look. So this is super simple. As you know, I like to keep my eye looks pretty simple, pretty easy for you guys, so you will be able to recreate this, and you don't have to use the same exact products that I used, but you can definitely use anything similar in tone and whatever works for you. But this is just to give you an idea that how you can mix and match and make things work for you. And this is one of those looks which will work with a lot of your outfits, as it is pretty neutral and pretty basic. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more awesome content. So first, let's prime our face with this Dermacol set and makeup base. Now I'm going to go in with a color corrector for all my hyperpigmentation, and for this I'm using the Kryolan TV paint stick in the shade 508. For foundation, I'm using the Dermacol Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 222. Now this might seem very light to you initially, but I'll blend it out and it will match my body. Now I will be using this Kryolan translucent banana powder for setting my face. To my brows, I'm going to use this ABH Dip Brow in the shade Medium Brown. Let's move on to the eyes. Now first I will be priming my eyes using this Luscious Angel Eyes Eye Primer. So for my eye makeup I will be using this Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm going to use this shade I'm going to use henna in my crease as a transition shade, and then I'll be going in with the shade Rose Gold as our main lid shade. Going in with the shade Rose Gold all over my lid. So let's move on to contouring. I'll be using this Makeup Revolution Pro HD palette. This is in the shade Light Medium, and I'm just going to take all three of these shades. So now I will be using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I'm taking my Golden Rose blusher. This is in the shade 207. It's a nice peachy pink shade which will complement our eyes. I should have applied this before my highlighter. But anyways. Pakistani makeup look, I want to add a little bit of Kohl in my waterline. I also want to add a little bit of the highlighter in my inner corners. Forgot to contour my nose. For lipstick, I'm using this Body Shop lipstick in the shade Kyoto Acer. I absolutely love it. And we are done with the makeup. Now let me just go fix my hair, get my jewelry on, and I'll be right back. And I'll also be adding on these eyelashes. These are from Cosmie, Pakistan. These are mink lashes and they are in the style Flash Camera. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And in case you're wondering about my jewelry, stay tuned, there will be a video on it as well. सब कुछ किचन में भी करना है. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye.